Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Elle here. So today's video is me testing out and trying some new skin products that I have right here with me now that I've obviously got on. So obviously I do show you me applying them, and then just little updates throughout my day of how I think it's going. So the products that I'm trying out are the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and the NARS Smooth Soft Matte Complete Concealer. So these are the three products that I am trying out today. I've been wanting to try these for ages because I know there's so much hype about these products. So I've been wanting to try them for a very long time, and here we are, finally trying them out. They aren't cheap, I'm not gonna lie. I can't remember the price of them all, but I think the foundation is £35. I'm pretty sure the Bobbi Brown whatever the face base is £45, and the concealer, I cannot remember for the life of me how much that is, but you can get them on Look Fantastic and you can use my discount code for 20% off. I'll leave that somewhere on the screen. It's LFTFLL, but I'll leave that on the screen for you. You get 20% off select products on Look Fantastic, which does include NARS and Bobbi Brown. It is an affiliate code, so obviously I do make a little bit of commission from it. So I understand if you don't want to use it, but you're getting 20% off, so you might as well. But yeah, so that is what today's video is. It's just me trying out these products and giving my honest opinion. So if you want to see what I think of those products, just keep on watching. Okay, so as you can see, my eyes are done. This is just testing out some new skin products. I'm obviously going to do the rest of my makeup off of camera afterwards, and I'll come back and show you, if that makes sense. Anyways, I'm going to show up. So the first thing I am trying out is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I've seen so many people rave about this, and I've been wanting to try it for a long time. So here we go. Part of me is like hoping it's not gonna live up to the hype because it's expensive, and if it lives up to the hype, I know that when it runs out I want to buy another one, and it's expensive. So yeah, this is what it looks like. To be fair, the packaging is super cute, really luxurious, as you can imagine anything would be if it's from Bobbi Brown. You get 50ml of product in here, I think yeah, it's 50ml of product in here, so it should last a long time, fingers crossed. And this is what it looks like. It's like almost like it looks whipped. Ooh, it does not smell how I expected it to smell. It smells, I dare just put a nose in that. It smells very lemony. Oh, that smells amazing. Oh god, I'm gonna love this, aren't I? That smells incredible. I don't know how much of this I need, but I was just taking the part that was off of the little seal. I'm just going to start by dotting this all over my skin. This is probably way too much product, but we'll see. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. I absolutely love like citrusy scents, so this is amazing so far for me. It feels really nice on the skin. Really nice and nourishing. Moisturising. I just cannot get over that smell. Okay, my skin feels amazing right now. Can we see that my skin looks very glowy right now? Very glowy. Okay, obviously we'll see how makeup is when I wear over it, but I know a lot of people say that it is a really good sort of like primer slash moisturiser in one. So yeah, so far so good. So far I'm loving it. The smell is amazing. I didn't expect it to smell like that. I think I sort of expected it to smell more like coconut for some reason, but it's not. It's like very zesty. Oh, I like that word. It's very zesty. Okay, so the next product I'm going to be trying is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Again, I've been wanting to try this for so long. I do have another foundation from NARS, which is their Sheer Glow, which I like, but it's too pale for me, so I have to mix a dark foundation into it to obviously make sure it looks okay. And obviously it's more like a medium coverage. It's not necessarily full, whereas this is supposed to be a full coverage foundation. So I cannot wait to give this a go. I got mine in the shade Punjab, which I'm hoping is going to be okay, because obviously I just ordered this online. I did use the foundation website, you know, where you put in the foundations and the shades that you currently use, and then it'll tell you what shades to get from other brands and like what the match should be, if that makes sense. So Let's hope that this is correct. This is what it looks like. It's very sleek again. Matte lid, glass bottle. But yeah, so let's get, the colour doesn't look too bad. That looks okay. Looks okay, it looks okay. It's obviously got a pump, which is always good. So I'm just going to pop some of this on the back of my hand and then apply it to my skin. I'm going to go with, I don't know how much I need, I don't know how full coverage this is, so I'm going to go with 2 pumps to start off with. This is what it looks like. The colour looks pretty good. I'm just going to apply this how I always apply my foundation, which is just to dot it all over the skin, and then I'll go in with a brush to blend it all out. Okay, I feel like I need one more pump. So I've done 3 pumps in total. And I'm just going to use a Peaches and Cream PC19 brush just to blend all of it out. So here we go. I'm happy with the colour. I definitely prefer my foundation to be more on the yellow side than on the pink side. The pink undertones just do not suit me whatsoever. Coverage is really nice. It blends out really well, and I'm really liking the finish as well, because it's still, I don't know if this is from the base we put underneath or if it's from the actual foundation itself, but it's like quite glowy. It's not mega shiny, it's like a satin finish. Probably worth mentioning, by the way, that I have dry skin, so anything that's going to give me more of a glow I'm gonna love. Okay, so colour I love, like I said, I prefer more of a yellow undertone than a pink undertone for my foundation. Just for like a reference, if you are thinking about purchasing this foundation and you're not sure about the colour, I wear an NC20 in MAC, so, and I would say this is like the perfect colour match for me. Like literally it's bob on. Couldn't have asked for a better colour match, so thank you to the foundation website for getting that one right. I'm just gonna, before I do my concealer, I'm just gonna have like a close-up look to see what it looks like on the skin. Do my zoom inside. Yeah, so again, really happy with the colour. I think the colour looks really nice. Really happy with the finish on the skin as well. It is very good coverage. I would say it's more medium to full. It's not like mega full. It's definitely medium to full, which I prefer, because I prefer to have that option of like building it up rather than something being way too heavy, if that makes sense. And it feels really light on the skin. Like I can't tell that I'm wearing foundation, if that makes sense. Like it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. So far I am impressed. Do you know what as well, like some of my other foundations start to crack in my smile lines a lot quicker than this, like usually like literally pretty much as soon as I've applied it, whereas this isn't. So far that is. So far so good. Let's try the concealer. So the concealer is the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. I've tried their, what's their other concealer called? Radiant Long, the liquid one, you know which one I mean. I've tried their liquid one before, which was nice, but I just feel like you didn't get a lot of product and I felt like it just dried up really quickly. So I thought I would give this one a go, because again I've seen so many people rave about it. This one is a cream and this is in the shade Creme Brulee. This is what it looked like. I did stick my finger in it yesterday because I just wanted to check the colour, because when I opened it, it looked really dark, but then when you actually put your finger in it, it's not as dark as it looks. I didn't put it on my face though, I only put it on the back of my hand, so still not sure how this colour is definitely going to look, but we shall find out. So I'm just going to use, this is just a Zoeva brush, it's a 142 brush, just a really small buffing brush, just to give this a go. We're going to obviously go underneath the eyes with it. So I've just got some product on the brush. I'm just going to apply this. Oh, actually, right, I was going to say it looks quite pinkish in there, but it looks more yellow toned when you apply it, as you can see. It's good colour, it's lighter, which I like, but not too light. I was really struggling to decide what colour to go with for the concealer. What was I going to say? Yeah, sorry, I was struggling to find what colour to go with for the concealer. So obviously I didn't want to get something that was going to be way too light, but I didn't want to get something that wasn't going to be brightening at all. And I was like, do I get the shade Custard? Because when you look at swatches online, custard looked fairly pale, like it didn't look too dark. But you just think, oh, I'm not sure. So I asked someone that I know that I used to work with that uses it, and I was pretty sure she used the shade Custard, but I was like, I'll just ask her anyway, because I know I'm a lot paler than her, so depending on what she says she uses, I need to definitely go lighter. And she said she uses Custard, so I was like, right, definitely don't get Custard. So I settled with Creme Brulee, and I'm really happy. The coverage is really good. I hardly ever use like a cream concealer. I always go with a liquid one, so trying something new. Again, I'm so impressed with that coverage because I've not really used a lot, so I'm really impressed. Coverage is good. It's not starting to crease yet. Key word in that sentence is yet. It's not started to crease yet. This would be really good for spot concealing as well as your under eye as well, with it being a cream. I tend to like cream concealers for more spot concealing. It's a bit like, it sort of reminds me of the, I can't actually remember the proper name of it, the Studio Finish one, the MAC one, the one in the little pot from MAC. You know what I'm on about. Do you know what, so far I'm so impressed. These look amazing. They feel and they look really natural. Obviously, when I say that, makeup will never look like your skin. Makeup will always look like makeup because skin has texture to it. That's completely normal. Like, no one has perfectly smooth skin. Everyone's skin has got texture to it, so it's obviously going to still look like makeup. It's not going to actually look like skin, but it does look really, really natural. It feels really weightless. So far I'm really impressed. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go off of camera. I'm going to finish the rest of my skin, then I'll come back and show you what it's looking like. Yeah, and we'll go from there. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back. I actually finished my skin 20 minutes ago, but then I had McDonald's. Don't judge me. No, Daniel was ordering McDonald's for his lunch, and it arrived just as I was finishing off my skin. So it's like, I'll eat my McDonald's before I put on a lip and film, because film YouTube video, McDonald's. I know which one is the priority, don't get me wrong. I love makeup, but McDonald's is priority right now. So yeah, so that was like 20 minutes ago when I'd finished my skin. I've obviously eaten, I've applied a lip, and this is what my skin looks like. I cannot get over it. Like my skin has never looked so good. It's not even settled into my smile lines yet, which I'm shocked about, because usually any foundation will have already settled into my smile lines by now. As for the concealer underneath my eyes, I mean, it's not really creased all that much. I have like fine lines underneath my eyes anyway, because I've got really dry and dehydrated skin. So of course anything is going to settle into that. Like, that's unavoidable. It's texture, like I said, it's going to sit on top of it, and you're going to be able to see it because it's texture. But it's only done it slightly. Other concealers that I've used before, like the liquid concealers, they like crease a lot more than what this one has. So I'm super impressed. So it's just a question of the longevity, and if it's not gonna get oily on me because my skin's so dry, but like the longevity, if it's gonna get patchy throughout the day or anything like that, or if it's gonna start to like dry up or crease or anything like that. It's currently 1:15. So yeah, I'm gonna see how the foundation lasts throughout the day. I'll come back and do some like check-ins throughout the day just to see how it's going, but yeah, see you soon. I'm just doing a little check-in. It's currently 5 o'clock. Yeah, 5 o'clock, could not say that then. So I've had my makeup on for just under 4 hours now, and it's still looking really, really good, if I do say so myself. Like, it started to settle a little bit in my smile lines, but nowhere near the amount that I get in with other foundations. What is wrong with my turtleneck? It's like rolled really funny, sorry. Yeah, I have other foundations that literally settle in my smile lines as soon as I've like put it on, pretty much. And this is like 4 hours in, and it's not really settled all that much. Concealer as well, like I said, I have fine lines underneath my eyes, so I'm going to get a little bit of like settling, but I wouldn't say I've had too much creasing. It's lasted really nicely. my skin still looks glowy, it still feels weightless. Also, might I just add, I changed the bedding today and it still looks like this. Anyone that's changed bedding on a king size bed on your own knows how much hard work that is. You work up a sweat, okay? And it's still, my skin is still looking brilliant. So far really impressed, but I'll check in later on as well. Okay guys, so this is my last check-in. It's currently 9:15 at night. So I've had this makeup on now for 8 hours, which is quite a long time. It's pretty much like a full day. I mean, I don't usually wear makeup for that long. Obviously, if I'm creating content, I usually wear it and then take it off after I've got my pictures and created the content that I needed to. That's about as long as I wear my makeup for. Obviously, if I'm going out, I will just wear my makeup for the duration that I'm out. When I get home, it's off. So this is the longest I would ever be wearing makeup for, and I can't get over how well it's lasted. You know, I didn't even say spray any setting spray because I completely forgot to. But like looking at it now, again, it's hardly settled in my smile lines. It's done so slightly, ever so slightly, but hardly at all. Nothing in comparison to what other foundations do on me. Again, I don't know if that's from the foundation or the primer. I have no idea. But yeah, I'm so impressed. I think my skin still looks amazing. It doesn't look too cakey. Obviously, there's certain areas where it started to settle slightly. Again, it's my lines underneath the eyes and then around the nose because I do wear glasses throughout the day. So obviously it's going to do slightly there and like around the nose here as well. But that's just completely normal. But you can only notice that when you're looking like super up close. Like from a distance, it's not very noticeable at all. And obviously it's makeup. It's going to wear throughout the day as your skin moves and as you touch your skin and stuff like that. So it's kind of a given, but I'm obsessed with how well it has lasted and how like it's still so full coverage. It's not sort of worn off or anything like that. It looks amazing. Obviously, by the way, guys, I did touch my lip up and I just did this quickly. So if my lip looks messy, that's why, because obviously my lipstick had completely worn off. So I've just reapplied that. But yeah, other than that, this is the look. Lasted a full 8 hours. I'm going to take it off now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you do like videos like this, please let me know in the comment section down below if you want me to do more videos like this, or if you want me to do sort of more wear tests with certain products or anything like that. Let me know. If you did like it, please give it a huge thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already as well, because that would mean the absolute world to me. Other than that, that's pretty much all I got to say today, guys. If you do have any videos you would like to see from me, make sure you leave them in the comment section down below. But yeah, I'll also leave my discount code and my affiliate link for Look Fantastic. Again, it's an affiliate link and an affiliate code, so I do make a small commission when you purchase anything using them, but you get 20% off, so you know. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a lovely day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.